CNN quickly accuses President Trump of white supremacy for making a good speech in Poland. CNN showed their true disgusting colors once again. In a speech in Poland, President Trump asked if the West has the will to survive. CNN apparently thinks this is a white supremacist message for some reason. CNN doesn't want us to survive. CNN's Jeff Zeleny started by complimenting the thematics of the speech. But it quickly got dark. "I think we learned something about his worldview. I would argue this speech is one of the best speeches in terms of thematics and staying on message and sort of offering the worldview that he had given," said Zeleny. And the setting was interesting. It was in Krasinski Square in Warsaw. Thousands and thousands of people were waving American flags and Polish flags. So, this is not a speech he could have given really anyplace else. "This is a white America first kind of speech," said Zeleny. Wow! He was offering a very stark view, actually, about, migration, about immigration, about other things. It wasn't a modern-day speech, if you will. It was sort of a throwback speech. But he was offering a sense of, be afraid of what is happening in the world now, said Zeleny. This is a Stephen Miller written speech. He is one of his top policy advisors. It was praised in a lot of corners, but he probably couldn't have given that speech here in America, said Zeleny. CNN is awful. Check out the video below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe 24 Hours channel. Goodbye and see you again.